In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for a trading journal with a template included. We're going to walk through a simple, beginner-friendly way to get a ready-made trading journal up and running, so you can start tracking your trades without having to build everything from scratch. I'll guide you through each click, and I'll also explain what's happening so you understand how to customize it later. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser. Once you're in, go to the main page or dashboard where you usually see your existing pages. At the top or in the sidebar, you'll see an option related to templates. Go ahead and click on the template option. This will open the template gallery, which is Notion's library of pre-built pages for different use cases. Inside the template gallery, look for the search bar. Click on search so you can quickly find what you're looking for instead of scrolling through everything. In the search bar, type in trading journal and then press enter. Notion will now filter the templates and show you any options that match that phrase. You should see a few different templates appear that are designed for trading, investing, or journaling. Take a moment to look through them and choose the one that best matches your style. Maybe you want something simple with just date, ticker, and result. Or maybe you prefer a more detailed layout with screenshots, strategies, and notes. Once you've found the one that looks right for you, select that template by clicking on it. When you click on the template, a preview will open so you can see what's inside. This is a great time to quickly scroll and make sure it has the sections you care about. If it looks good, look for the button that lets you add it to your workspace. Click on Add. After you click Add, Notion will ask where you want this new trading journal to live. You can choose to add it to your private space, which means only you can see it, or to a workspace, where a team or group of people can access it. Click on Add to Private if this is just for your personal trading records, or choose your workspace if you plan to share it or collaborate. Once it's added, your trading journal is ready to use. You can start by entering your first trade, customizing the columns, and making it truly fit your process.